Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
We just got a call this morning, and we're gonna have a little bit of an adventure today because May's aunt called us and said, "Let's go on a little trip
To Nongkhai, which is only an hour away. So we said, let's go. Why not?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to this little adventure, and we're bringing you guys along. So
It's gonna be a little road trip. We're going to go to a restaurant and a little cafe. So it's gonna be fun. Let's go.
let's get out of here. Hey everybody, we just arrived to our destination. This is a little restaurant here, just close to the river that is dividing the border of Laos and Thailand. Look at this. Just across there, it's Laos. I feel like it's wider than the Mississippi in Minnesota.
Really?
Yeah.
Little shaded area we can sit and look at the
Pool.
river.
Just bowling at the river. Look. They're super skinny.
I know. It can fit a lot of people. A lot of things in the boat.
Really?
And then you can go to like a really small space.
I feel like
Really narrow space.
if you have too many people, you're gonna sink.
That's the temple all the way in Laos.
I'm about to swim over there, Bubs. Who dares me to?
Back in the days, I think people used to swim across the border. Let's go to the restaurant. This is the restaurant. A really well-known restaurant. A lot of people came here for the river view and good food. Let's go. Whoa!
They brought in crazy amount of food. That's the fish. Wow. That looks so good. You want me to serve you?
Smile.
You want me to serve you?
Sure.
Should I just grab it or should I stab it?
Thank you.
That's a big old shrimp. Watch this. Got some squid. Mmm. The shrimp. Look, it got a big old head. I gotta take it off.
Pull it off? Yes.
Gotta pull this big old head off. The legs. Eating it slowly but surely. There you go. Got it off. Boom. Still a little bit of shell on there though. That's so. Okay, let me eat this little piece right here. Or should I dip it in? Should I show you?
Yes, this will be the best one.
It's the best one right here.
Yes.
Boom.
Is it good? With the sauce?
Wow. The shrimp is huge.
It's over there. Dip it.
I double dip. That's
Mmm.
wow. That was good.
We're done eating, but oh god.
It is too good.
After this, we're going to a cafe. It's a really popular cafe right now.
It's called the Forest Cafe. It's gonna be awesome. We've seen little pictures of it and we're very excited.
Let's go.
Let go. Here we are at the Forest Cafe. You excited, baby?
Yeah.
Let's go take a walk. At the entrance. Let's see what they got. Wow, they got some interesting looking drinks here already. Got some pony milk. Pony milk, milky brew. Yola honey. Well, looks good, babe. Got a little delicious looking pastries as well. Got apple tart.
I want to get eclair.
Ooh, and vanilla eclair. Ooh, I want to get that too.
And then the caramel macadamia.
Oh, that looks good.
Do you want that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Got the drinks already. All ready to go.
Look at this one. It has gold stuff.
What? Gold? Dang, that's some gold right there. Couple card.
This is good. Look. There's gold dust in the cocoa powder.
Ooh. Ooh. Me. Very excited what this tastes like. Whoa. Dark chocolate. Ooh, that coffee is so smooth. That's so good. Little like chocolate bits. Oof. It's pure cocoa right there.
That's
Wow.
good.
That's amazing. I like it.
โอ้เมย์นี่สวยอยากย่างนะมันโดนไอ้น้ำเกาะ
Wow. That is so good. It's so light. Bite into it, it's just like, it's like heaven. That is so good. I love it.
ขนาดวันธรรมดาไม่คนเยอะ
Just the applesauce, like, apple is just very crisp. Very, very good. I like it. Oh no! I ruined it. No. Everything is just so light. I like it. I like it a lot. It just melts in your mouth.
not too sweet right
Yeah, not too sweet either. Frosting, the nut, and also the caramel. Really, really like it. Comes together really well. Wow. Look at this.
Look, there's a heart.
Oh. Almost dying, bro. Oh. All of the light, boom, 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 boom.
We're back home.
Hell yeah, we're back.
We were gone for like 5 hours. It was really fun. What do you think?
From 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Just got back, and I think we had a really, really good time. Got to check out where Laos is, and yeah, it was really good. Food was great, coffee was great. We got to check out a bunch of spots that we haven't been before, and hopefully we'll be able to go to new places next. Dude, we gotta delete this whole video.
Well, thank you so much for watching, you guys. We really appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and check out our website to see our blogs. We try to update it regularly. And we definitely have a lot of new ideas about where to go, and we cannot wait to bring you guys along. So for now, we're going to go home, edit this video, and post it on our YouTube channel.
Cool. Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye!